Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll show you how to update computer drivers on Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type device manager. Go to device manager. Now expand the window. Now you're in the left panel, you have to search for computer. As you can see, a computer drivers. Right click on it, it will show you two options: ACPI based PC and TME Redmi Book 15 Pro. So whichever uh, computer or laptop you are using, it will show the computer drivers for you. Now right click on first one, then go to update driver. Now it will show you two options: browse my computer for drivers or search automatic for drivers. You have to click on first one. Now as it says, it's already installed on my PC, the latest drivers. Now you have to check for second one. Again right click on it. Now go to update driver. Now you again have to click on search automatically for drivers. Now you can see here the best drivers already installed. If your PC says update available, you can directly download from here. Now you have to what to do: go to settings and search for settings. Go to settings, then you have to click for check for updates. You will show you, go to home option, then go to window update, and you can click on check for updates for checking up the latest drivers for your computer. It will take a few minutes. Then you can download your latest updates of drivers from this list. Now you can download from here. Thank you guys. If you like the video, like my video as well as subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.